At the wall garden you might hear the opening of the gate as it creaks open, the crushing of the stones on your feet as you walk, the rustling of the bushes, the singing of the birds and the buzzing of the bees. As you are walking round, you might hear someone putting out rubbish in a bin and going round the creaking of the glass as the sun hits the panes, people chattering and the hearing of laughter in the background. The water's flowing feature is very soothing sound, and as the chiming on the trees is relaxing, nice to hear.